Mercury's retrograde is heating up. Red Robe Astrology for August 20th. This sort of happened yesterday. Mercury's come to his station. Mercury's at 21 degrees of Virgo, and he will stay there for about 10 days, turning around and going retrograde on August 23rd, Wednesday of next week. Mercury typically moves at about 3/4 of a degree a day. So you can think of that speed as your speed of thought and communication. And instead of moving at 3/4 of a day, thought and communication is moving at 10 days to move 1 degree. So mind is challenged when any planet is stationed like this. It's at its most powerful and objective. But if it's Mercury, because we're used to and we require that kind of speed of Mercury to process thought, now thought processing slows down, communication becomes problematic. And then the closer we get to Wednesday, the more that is. And then, he turns around and where. So next week, communication has the potential for being a little clunky. In some ways, that started yesterday. Meanwhile, we're in a bit of an integration day. The planets are quiet. Mercury stationing is not a transit. It's just a shift in our thinking and perception. And the Libra moon brings a little bit of balance and harmony because that's her nature. There are some agitations to contend with, but one lovely heartfelt solution to anything that might trouble you today. The moon and the sun are in a semi-square. That's a kind of inner conflict transit. There's a sesqui square from the moon to Saturn, so you might need to bring some wisdom that you've recently learned to anything that's troubling. There's an opposition from the moon to Chiron, so you might be grabbed by wound. Here's the opportunity. The Libra moon is sextiling her ruling planet of Venus, which means that love is very accessible to us today. But a sextile means you have to put some effort in. Do loving things, your heart will open up. When in doubt today, just ask, what would love do? And then do that. Have at it.